Yesterday we saw released dummy images of the upcoming iPad mini model. It shows that display had thick bezels and a physical home button and design similar to the predecessor. However, we have received new renders of the iPad mini 6 and the renders tell us whole new story. Talking about rumors, the released images seems to be listing for the screen protector of the iPad mini 6. Unlike the images leaked before, we see the construction that has more boxy design with the somewhat sharp edge and not curvy edges on the back. Also resembles the iPad Pro 2020 and the latest iPhone 12 series design language. We see power button at the top, volume button at the right. The selfie camera is stuck inside the bezels and not present underneath the display, inside the punch hole. Speaking of which, the renders are quite different from one we saw in January. That older report said that iPad mini 6 will have punch hole display and host in-display fingerprint sensor. A report by the Japanese site Mac Otokara said that iPad mini will eliminate iPad Air 3 design, continue to have Touch ID on the home button, which is clearly missing on the new renders. So far, report says that the iPad mini will feature either 8.5 inch or 9 inch display, out of which 8.4 inch seems to be most likely. Either way, it will be an upgrade from 7.9 inch screen on the iPad mini 5, and unlike Pro versions, Apple will probably release this model with the Lightning port in 2021. Apple brought the Touch ID on the power button of the iPad Air 4 last year, and it is still unclear which of the options Apple will choose for iPad mini 6. Lastly, analyst Ming Kai Kuo believes that an iPad mini alongside the new Pro model, it coming with the mini LED display, but there are no further reports on the same. The iPad mini always had a fanbase because of compact size, but following the 2019 update, it became the best value iPad currently on the market, being better equipped than the standard iPad and cheaper than the largely identical Air. According to sources, Apple is currently testing its new and upcoming iPad mini 6. Not only that, but the company also upgrading its iPad mini 5. The news was first brought by the leaker at OOO Leaker. The leaker also suggests that there may be other prototypes, so the final iPad mini 6 could differ slightly from those displayed in the prototype. Sources claim that the iPad mini 6 will have the 8.5-inch Liquid Retina display. Along with that, the display will also come in a boxy design. It will be powered by the A14 Bionic chipset and along with the 4GB of RAM. The mini tablet will also support the Apple Pencil 2 and will have a USB Type-C port. The specifications sound cool, and it seems that the iPhone maker has taken away the hardware from the iPad Air 4 and putting inside the iPad mini 6. The iPad mini 6 will have the same camera as the iPad Air 2. However, sources claim that the speaker's hardware is still same as the iPad mini 5. Another rumor from the around the same time suggested that the first mini LED iPad are on their way. The rumors in question by TFI securities analyst Ming-Chi Kuo said that the first mini LED screens iPad will have the getting mass produced in the first half of 2021.